In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new page, draft it, explore the available blocks, and publish it confidently. Start inside your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor. From the editor, look for the navigation panel. If it's not visible, click the highlighted menu area to open it. In that panel, choose Pages to view your existing pages. Now click Add Page. You'll be prompted to name your new page. Type your page title clearly so you can find it later. When you're ready, click Create Draft. This saves a working copy you can edit safely without making it public yet. Next, let's add content with blocks. Click the highlighted Inserter button to open the block library. You'll see categories to help you find exactly what you need. Start with the text section for headings, paragraphs, and lists to structure your content. Move to Media to place images, galleries, audio, or video. The design category includes layout helpers like spacers, buttons, and columns that make your page easier to read. Widgets contains items like shortcodes and archives, useful if you're bringing in functionality. Theme includes site elements such as navigation or site title, handy for template-driven layouts. Embeds lets you drop in content from other platforms. You'll also see options like Crowd Signal for polls and surveys, Monetize for payment or subscription blocks if available on your plan, and Grow or Jetpack tools that can help with engagement and performance. Return to design. If you want to fine-tune styling, then use the search field at the top of the inserter to quickly find a specific block by name. When you find the block you want, click it to add it to the canvas. Click where highlighted to place it, then type or adjust its settings in the sidebar. Continue adding and arranging blocks until your draft looks the way you want. Now let's save your work. Click Save. If a confirmation prompt appears, click Save again to confirm. Depending on your theme or template, you may see multiple confirmation prompts. Continue clicking Save whenever asked. If you open a panel you don't need, click Cancel to close it and return to your page. When you're satisfied with your draft, click Publish. Confirm Publish if prompted, and WordPress will make your new page live. That's it. You've created a new page, explored the key block categories, saved your changes, and published the page. If you want to keep refining, you can always return to the editor later, make updates, and save or republish when ready.